What's good, YouTube family? This your God Bless one. Thank you for watching another episode of I Smoke Hip Hop. Okay, guys, this video is to help you guys solve the YouTube search filter censorship that's going on. As you know, YouTube has broken their censorship features, which is like the search settings. You could have navigate yourselves to pick your preference in which videos and what you wanted to look up for, what topic, and it helped direct us exactly to specifically what we needed. But now YouTube has taken it down on their long campaign of quieting and censoring a lot of people and killing a lot of channels at that, because when they do this, it's hard for people to find your channels and your latest videos. We already have the notifications are not working, but now they're affecting people who just watch YouTube. This is not me as a YouTuber speaking. I'm speaking as a fan of YouTube, and this was one of my favorite features, was the search setting. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I have a fix, but let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Here's the filter. I put Zion Williamson. As you guys can see here, I type Zion Williamson, and or you guys can type up any subject you want for that matter. And I click on any, you can click on any preference, but I'm gonna click on the day to show you guys an example. Look, if you click on the day, you're supposed to be able to see every single video that came within a 24-hour time frame of that day. And as you can see, one video came up, then you have a video 4 days ago, which is not supposed to be like that. A name like Zion rings a lot of bell, which is a lot of videos are up. Then you go here and you see that there's a 3 days one, there's a 1 year, there's another one today, but of course it's from a highlight video. Those are not really specific. You have one 11 months ago, you know, one 2 years ago, and etc., all the way to 4 years ago. So it's not navigating you properly to what you need. YouTube has done this specifically to quiet a lot of YouTubers and censor any type of censorship. What you guys need to do is go to Google, and right here, let's see the difference between YouTube search filter and their Google, because Google is part of YouTube as well. I guarantee you they will affect Google specifically, but let's do it. I'm gonna type Zion Williamson. Let's go here. This is the fix, guys. If you want to fix the search filter, you follow these steps. Go to Google, type any topics that you're writing, and when you're navigated to Google, you're gonna click here where it writes tools. Hang on, let me navigate I'm using multiple screens. Pardon me for taking my time with the mouse. Okay, you go here are the tools, and it's going to give you a selection of different preference. You're going to click anytime, and you're going to wait, my bad, I apologize. You're going to click on videos first, then you're going to click on tools, and it's going to give you several selections such as any source, all videos, any quality, any time, any duration, which is a cool setting, the duration one. But you're gonna go here to any time, and now you can have the same search filter settings just like YouTube. You can click on past hour, 24 hours, which represents today. So let's click on it to see the difference. Okay, the Zion Williams, and I clicked on today, 24 hours. You have a video 14 hours, 16 hours, 48 minutes ago, 16 hours ago, 9 hours ago, 8 hours ago. You see what I mean, guys? 16 hours ago, 21. And that's the fix right there, guys. Right there. So this is a solution. I know it's a bit of a burden to do it this way, but I find these features awesome. And if you don't feel like clicking back and forth, you can click on the videos you want and just right click and click on open link in new tab. Then it goes along here, so you can get a whole lot of tabs of your videos and just watch each one from there without going back and forth to the Google search preference. And that's the fix, guys. Listen, guys, always stay alert and stay alive, and remember that we have to join in with one another and help each other in this small community of ours to fight Big Brother, because little brother needs to eat and little brother needs that knowledge, and Big Brother don't want us to have it. So we have to fight. And just remember, guys, love your family, love your kids, and stay blessed. Please pass this video along, like, share, and subscribe. And comment if you want to, but share this video because a lot of people don't realize on how to fix it. Thank you, guys.